So today we're cooking sabaw sa kamatis or soup in tomato. So I have the ingredients here. You can see I have onion, tomato, beef. So these are the same ingredients, pechay and potato. Okay, preheat natin yung lutuan natin. Medium heat for about 1 minute. Tapos, lagay tayo ng splash ng olive oil. Probably roughly around 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Then wait for 1 minute. Okay, pag mainit na, put natin yung onion. Then, tomatoes. Kamatis. And then, wait natin. Takpan natin siya in a medium to low heat for about 2 to 5 minutes hanggang matunaw na yung kamatis. Okay, so you'll see here, medyo may sauce na yung kamatis natin. So if wala pang sauce yung kamatis, you can cover it again. Put a little bit of water if you want before you put the beef in. Okay? Okay, after nun, ilagay na natin yung beef. So you see, so ilagay natin yung beef. And then just keep on stirring. So you do this for 1 minute and then you cover it and then leave it to boil for about 5 minutes to 10 minutes. So after 5 to 10 minutes, check natin. Tapos ilalagay natin yung fish sauce. This is optional. So you can put salt instead of fish sauce. So just keep on stirring. And then after this, lagay natin yung patatas. This is optional again. Lalagay lang yung kulay. So put the potato. And then just keep on stirring. So just keep on stirring it and then just cover it again for about 5 minutes. Okay, so after 5 minutes, lagyan natin ng water, boiling water, para mas madali siyang lumambot. At least 600 ml of boiling water. And then you cover it again. This one will take about 15 to 20 minutes. So after 20 minutes, lalagyan natin ng konting salt, just a little bit of salt, and pepper. And then just keep on stirring it. And then lalagyan na natin yung pechay natin. Itong part muna ng pechay ang ilalagay natin kasi matagal siyang lumambot. So we'll do this one first for about 3 minutes. And then ilalagay natin yung dahon ng pechay. This one will only take 2 minutes. And cover it and then we'll come back after 2 minutes. Okay, so this is it. This is our sabaw sa kamatis or soup in tomato. Hope you enjoy it.